While many people know WAGO is the manufacturer of these 221 wire splicing connectors, there are still a lot of folks that don't realize that we have a fantastic line of automation products.
From controllers and couplers to edge products and I/O systems, we have a wide range of equipment for all applications.
Take, for instance, our line of Lean Managed Switches, available with 8 or 16 ports, as well as a fiber optic option.
Our Lean Managed Switches work well with our distributed I/O modules to monitor and control remote devices throughout your plant.
So how does that work? Let's say you have a conveyor system working in a factory setting. There is the controller, this Lean Managed Switch, and 4 different distributed I/O modules.
The distributed I/O is wired to different locations to help monitor and control things such as sensors, motors, and other actuators. You just plug in each of the distributed I/O modules into the Lean Managed Switch ports.
The Lean Managed Switch is then connected to the PLC via Ethernet cable, so all of the data is coming from one source.
It makes communication with the PLC more reliable coming from the Lean Managed Switch to help increase data availability.
Our Lean Managed Switches also come with a convenient dashboard, which provides updates on health and makes troubleshooting very easy.
And with ring redundancy, it increases network uptime and reduces downtime.
WAGO's Lean Managed Switches,
working together with our distributed I/O modules, make it a terrific
2 for Tuesday. Check out our Lean Managed Switches on our website at www.wago.com/us/lean-managed-switches.
And also go to www.wago.com/us/discover-io-systems to learn more about our distributed I/O modules. And of course, for your convenience, we've placed the link in the text above. Happy Tuesday.